Let's create DIY stickers without using parchment paper or baking paper. You'll need your drawing or cutout paper, ordinary paper will do, clear tape, scissors, and a candle. Prepare your paper. Cover your whole paper with candle wax by rubbing it all over your paper just like coloring with crayons. Make sure to cover all the spots where you plan to stick your DIY sticker. Once done, shake off the excess candle wax off your paper and proceed to next step. Stick your first layer of tape on the wax side of the paper. If your tape width is small, stick and overlap another tape until your waxed side of the paper is covered. Place or arrange your drawing or cutout on the non-sticky side of the tape. Your drawing or cutout should be facing you. Make sure that there is a tape space all around your drawing or cutout. Your drawing or cutout should be smaller than the tape. Now, carefully place your second tape layer on top of your drawing or cutout and the first layer of tape. Press and flatten the tape. Cut around your drawing and leave a small space around it where the two layers of tape are sticking together. You can use your sticker as is, or you can transfer it and create a sticker sheet just like what I did. Wax the paper with your candle. Leave 1.5 inches at the top for design unwaxed. After waxing, shake off the excess wax. Decorate the unwaxed top of your sheet however you like. Arrange your sticker however you like. Transfer your stickers to your sticker sheet. Viola. You created your very own sticker sheet. Let's test it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Chillin' Crafts for more videos like this.